Paint protection film and ceramic coatings. How do we get them on your vehicle, and what would that process look like? We first receive the vehicle in. We examine the vehicle for all forms of exterior contamination. We do an initial pre-rinse of the vehicle. We then do our initial foam. This will loosen the surface dirt and contaminants. We move on to the wheels and the barrels and the tires to get rid of all the road debris. Next, we follow up with our mineral decontamination step. This removes all of the dried up minerals that clog the surface of the clear coat. We do all the cracks and crevices. We move on to a secondary foaming. This now starts our contact wash. We go over from top to bottom all the way around, removing as much contamination as we can before we follow up with another rinse. We then blow dry the vehicle, all the cracks and crevices. We try and touch the vehicle as little as possible to reduce putting any more scratches or swirl marks in it before we start our work. But all of these steps are necessary so we can remove any previous protection before we move on to our taping and polishing step. So at this point, we have fully washed the vehicle, but we need to use our clay bar to remove any of the embedded contaminants such as brake dust, iron fallout, tree sap, anything that is not easily removed in the initial hand washing. This is a necessary step before we move to the paint polishing so we don't pick up that debris in our polishing pad and then start moving it around where it could scratch and damage the surface further. So we polish, we inspect with our light, we move on to the various forms of how we're going to get the paint protection film from a bulk roll to your vehicle. So we can use patterns as you saw on the computer. We can do bulk film as you see here, where we cut it out to the general shape. We will then form fit it to that specific panel. We will squeegee out all of the installation solution. We'll do all of the drying, checking over our work, and trimming to get the film to fit as precisely as we can to each individual panel. Then we move on to the ceramic coatings. The ceramic coatings are a great way to boost the performance of the paint protection film. It'll make it last longer by requiring less maintenance because the ceramic coatings will put another hydrophobic layer on while offering some additional surface protection as well. It'll make it easier to maintain, it'll make it shinier, and just overall boost the already great performance of that paint protection film. So we check over the surface once again to make sure we didn't leave any residual ceramic coating behind on the film. And at that point, we're done. We're going to back the vehicle out of the shop. We're going to check our installation and our work and get ready for delivery to the customer. So as you can see, any process takes time to achieve great results. And this is the process that we use to continuously put out top quality results in polishing, paint protection film, or ceramic coating. We want to make sure that when you're coming to us to have work done, we're going to do the best work that we can for you to deliver high quality results with high performing materials. You can check out all of our services at superficialdetails.com, browse through our service selection, and then make an appointment to stop in and see how we can help protect your vehicle and make your investment last longer, look better, and easier to maintain for a long time coming. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.